Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a custom saying bracelet, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, here's everything you need to make this bracelet. First, you need letter beads or any type of bead you want to use. You need wax, string, or cord. You need a candle or anything with a flame. You need tape. And lastly, you need scissors and a ruler. You can get everything here from places like Amazon, Etsy, or Michaels. So first thing you're going to do is grab your string and cut 3 10-inch strands, 2 12-inch strands, and 1 5-inch strand. Now you want to tape down your 3 10-inch strands and use one of your 12-inch strands to make 2 tight knots like this. Now remove your tape and light your candle. You want to slowly melt the ends of your string like this. I recommend using metal or something to push down the melted string so it stays put. Now you want to separate the 2 short strings and tape down the 3 long strings. Twist your 2 strands like this. Now you want to hold the top of the strings and let go of the bottom, and then your strings will twist together. You can also twist them a little bit more on your own. Then you want to make a knot at 3 inches. Then you want to trim down the ends and melt them down. And this is how you make your adjustment string. Now you want to tape down that adjustment string and start braiding with your 3 long strands. This is how I calculate how long each side of my strand has to be. Then you want to take your middle strand and add in all your letters. And then tape it down tightly. Now with your 2 outside strings, you want to make a knot to end off the braid. Then you want to start making square knots. I'll throw up a picture of how to make a square knot here, but I'll go into it in another video. So holding down your letters, you want to make alternating square knots to hold them in place. Once you finish making your knots, you want to remove your tape and start braiding the end. And then you want to grab your second 12-inch strand and make your adjustment knot on this side. Now to make your adjustment knot, you want to hold your 2 strings like this and grab your 5-inch strand. Then you want to make around 4 square knots alternating each side. Snip the ends and melt them down. And this is how I make my bracelets. I hope this tutorial helped, and if you don't want to hassle making your own, you can always purchase in my shop and support my small business. Thank you so much for watching to the end of the video. So here is a 10% discount code if you want to use. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.